Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome tech tips and reviews. Today we're answering the big question, do I need a VPN? Spoiler alert, you absolutely do. Stick around as we break down the amazing benefits of using a VPN and why it's a game changer for your online life. Let's dive in. In today's digital age, the question, do I need a VPN? Is more relevant than ever. A virtual private network, VPN, is your ticket to a safer, more private and unrestricted online experience. Whether you're streaming your favourite shows, working remotely or just browsing social media, a VPN offers incredible benefits that make it a must-have tool for everyone. Why do I need a VPN? Key benefits explained. A VPN creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet, acting like a digital shield. Here's how it benefits you. Enhanced privacy. A VPN hides your IP address, making your online activities anonymous. Whether you're shopping online or checking emails, your data stays private from hackers, ISPs and prying eyes. Top-notch security. Public Wi-Fi at cafes or airports can be a hotspot for cyber threats. A VPN encrypts your data, protecting you from hackers trying to steal your personal information. Access to global content. Can't watch that new series because it's region-locked? A VPN lets you bypass geo-restrictions, giving you access to streaming platforms, websites and content from anywhere in the world. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tips like this. Safe remote work. For remote workers, a VPN ensures secure access to company networks, keeping sensitive data safe from breaches. Bypass censorship. In some regions, access to certain websites is restricted. A VPN lets you surf the web freely, ensuring you stay connected to the information you need. Why should you use a VPN? The real question isn't, do I need a VPN? But why haven't I gotten one yet? Here's why you should invest in a VPN today. Peace of mind. With cybercrime on the rise, a VPN gives you confidence that your personal data like passwords and credit card details is secure. Affordable protection. Many VPNs offer budget-friendly plans with premium features, making top-tier security accessible to everyone. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the best tech tools out there. Seamless experience. Modern VPNs are fast, user-friendly and work across devices, phones, laptops, tablets, you name it. You'll barely notice it's running, but you'll feel the difference. Stay ahead of restrictions. Whether it's accessing blocked content or staying safe on public Wi-Fi, a VPN empowers you to take control of your online freedom. Take control of your online safety today. If you've ever wondered, do I need a VPN? The answer is a resounding yes. From protecting your privacy to unlocking a world of content, a VPN is a small investment for massive reward. Don't wait for a data breach or a blocked website to convince you. That's a wrap, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the bell icon so you never miss an update. Check out the link to this awesome VPN in the description below and start surfing the web with confidence, security and freedom. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!